Our goal is to make sure that we have exceeded our customers' expectations. Your boat is taken care of in the best possible way, and that includes our service department. It's a genuine relationship that they build with our customers.
As soon as the customer is interested in actually purchasing the boat, the service team will then integrate themselves with the salesman. At that point, the salesman and the service team introduce both of ourselves as a team to the customer, and the customer knows now they have a multi-point connection to make sure that their boat delivery goes well, as well as the service after the boat delivery is taken.
At MarineMax Miami, we're very committed in service. All the customers' concerns become our priorities. Address the issues. When they come to pick up their boat, it's turnkey, and they're gonna enjoy their boat with their family.
Our goal is to provide a good customer experience. All the manufacturers are very accommodating. They make the customers happy, we make the customers happy. The customers leave here 100% satisfied.
With the mobile service vans being on the road now, it enables us to really target the situation that the boat is living in. So we're able to troubleshoot the boat in their current environment. So by us going to the boat, instead of the boat coming here, we're really benefiting the customer both in cost as well as time savings.
We have a tremendous parts department here at MarineMax Miami that works very closely with our service team, along with our 65+ locations, ensures that they can get us the parts we need quickly and efficiently.
Just going the extra mile, not take too long with the parts, try to get them in as soon as possible. No one likes to wait for parts. Just as long as you touch base with the customer and give them a call back or shoot them an email, say, hey, this is where we're at, just letting you know. Most people just want a phone call. Just help out the customers as much as possible, the best way we can.
Our goal is to make sure that we have exceeded our customers' expectations when they bring the boat in here and get to experience our team members and see the quality of work that we performed on their boats.